Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you are doing well. So today we are going to talk about something that many Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra users have been waiting for, the official One UI 7 update release date. So Samsung has already rolled out the beta 4 for the One UI 7, and while we are hoping this would be the final beta version according to the latest rumors, that might not be the case. There's a high chance that we could see the beta 5 or even the beta 6 before the official stable version is released. And it is a bit disappointing, especially considering that some newly released mid-range smartphones are already running the stable One UI 7 update, while the flagship S24 Ultra is still stuck on the beta version. And the worst part about the beta program is that it is only available to the limited devices and only to the limited countries. Not all users like iOS are eligible to use the beta program. But now there are some fresh rumors and reports that the One UI 7 update is expected to roll out by the end of March or by the early April, with April being the most likely timeline. It is understandable that the Samsung is taking its time because the One UI 7 is a massive software update. With the Android 15 update, it brings in a lot of new features, performance improvements, and customization options. But still, on the other hand, the Google Pixel is running the beta version of the Android 16 update, and we are still stuck on the Android 14. Some of the new One UI 7 changes include the new control panel with some redesigned app icons, and with a better AI features and performance, and the camera with some enhanced privacy and security settings. And if we talk about the release date, so the latest rumors are saying that the One UI 7 official update might be released on the April 18. Even though the wait is frustrating, it is always better to get a stable bug-free update rather than a rushed version of full issues. So we hope that once we get the One UI 7 official update, it will be bug-free and good to go. Also, let me know in the comment section that what do you guys think about this delay, and are you excited for the new features of the One UI 7? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the latest rumors for the One UI 7. If you are new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.